Hello, good afternoon, one and all. My name is Dr. Raju Vishnupant Kulkarni, roll number 13, a participant of online refresher course in use of AI and ICT for teaching, learning, and research in higher education. On behalf of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, UGC, MMTTC, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. I am presenting here my micro teaching lecture on application of ICT in dairy processing. Introduction. Indian dairy industry is the world's largest dairy industry, having milk production about 240 million tons annually. As you all are knowing about that, India is largest milk producer in the world. Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan and Gujarat are major milk producing regions of India. Nowadays, farmers and milk producers are using various types of technology and recent modes in relation with the ICT and AI. Mobiles, telephones, video conferencing, laptops, computers, use of email and multimedia communications. These are very frequently used. So these uses, particularly use of digital technology, it will be very helpful to improve the quality of milk, then the efficiency of the different type of processing in dairy industry, and it is also observed that farmers income is also has been raised. So various steps involved in the dairy processing are starting from milk collection particularly. So while discussing about milk collection, there are traditional methods in India which are used for collection of milk, but they will take long time and they will take more labors. So it is difficult to control temperature during transport, hence there are chances of spoilage of milk. So traditional methods includes use of bicycle or the head load method or use of pack animals for transportation, and even by bus or by train or by insulated tankers. It will take more time. So due to these problems, we are in a mood to search new innovative ideas. There is a national milk grid daily from Mumbai to Delhi, Delhi to Kolkata, and Kolkata to Chennai. There is a routine process of transportation of milk. It will form the national milk grid. Digital weighing machines and mobile apps records milk quantity and quality at village level collection centers, and it will maintain better temperature control. Hence, it will preserve the quality of milk. While discussing about quality control depends upon various tests for collection of milk and for selection of milk at a proper place. There are various tests which are conducted. These are known as organoleptic test in traditional process on the basis of color, on the basis of taste of milk, on the basis of temperature of milk, then the smell of milk, and by tasting flavor of milk, we can accept or reject the quality of milk. On the dairy receiving platform particularly, which is termed as RMRD, that is raw milk receiving dock, various platform tests are conducted. So platform tests are those tests which are conducted on receiving platform so as to make quick decision about acceptance or rejection of the milk. As milk is naturally perishable in nature, it should be preserved with the new techniques. So the new techniques are related to use of softwares, milk analyzers, and IoT, Internet of Things sensors. These are frequently used nowadays in modern dairy industries by using ultrasonic or infrared spectroscopy. So by using this analyzer, we can identify the content of various constituents of milk, starting from water, fat, protein, lactose, minerals, and recently machines are also identifying pH of milk or the boiling point and freezing point of milk also. So by using such type of sensors, such type of analyzers, by using Internet of Things sensors, we can check the quality of milk. It is important part of quality control measures. Milk-O-Scan machines are also instantly used for testing quality of liquid and semi-solid dairy product and for their quality control checkup. So these are the uh, advantages of quality control measures. Detection of adulteration in the milk is also a very serious problem nowadays, but by using various types of sensors, we can detect adulterated water, adulterated starch, adulterated sugar, adulterated urea or neutralizer and other milk, the different types of the constituents which are externally added in milk, which will deteriorate the quality of milk. So it can be detected by using such type of sensors. So while discussing about the supply chain, means when there is a collection of milk until distribution, it should be checked up. So collection is having different methods. Traditionally, collection methods are different, but nowadays it has been changed. And then up to then collection, it has to cool the milk. The object of cooling is to preserve the quality of milk. After cooling, we have to dump store it. Then after dump storage until distribution, meanwhile, various activities which are involved in the dairy processing, like use of various transportation medias, then chilling process, different types of the new processing technologies which are frequently used in dairy technology, like homogenization, that is the subdivision of size of fat globules, and pasteurization technique, means which is heating of milk to certain temperature to preserve its quality. So until up to distribution, up to packaging, this supply chain involves, and everywhere there is a use of a new technology, particular ICT tools are used, particularly for tracking of milk from the farmer to consumers. So use of QR codes, that is the quality response codes, are frequently used by the milk producers and farmers nowadays. And along with this, RFID, that is the radio frequency identification tools, are also playing important role in the supply chain of the milk transportation. Along with this, cold chain facilities are also having importance in the Indian dairy industry, as cooling of milk is very important process which will preserve the quality of milk. So object of cooling is to preserve the quality of milk. GPS, that is a global positioning system, that is the satellite based launching, particularly to trace the location and which will optimizes the collection routes. Similarly, GIS, that is the geographical identification system, it is also frequently used in the dairy industry. So various types of the temperature sensors for maintaining freshness of the milk during transportation is very important from the consumer's point of view. Automation, nowadays it is a very common terminology. Everywhere there is a process of automation. So use of various types of the softwares, particularly in the process of automatic pasteurization and packaging technology. Different technologies like SCADA, means the supervisory control data acquisition. This is the very important process. And the PLC, that is the programmable logic controller. By using these software technology, automation is very useful nowadays in Indian dairy industry. So in this way, we are using such a type of ICT tools for improving the structure of Indian dairy industry. While considering these aspects, it will support the farmers also. So while discussing about farmer support, we are using various technologies related to ICT tools. Farmers and milk producers are always using SMS for receiving messages from different authorities related to transportation, processing, product manufacturing, etc. Different types of apps are also very popular in Indian dairy industry like AgroStar, Dehat, then Kisan Suvidha, IFCO Kisan. These are the apps which are frequently used by the farmers. We are also frequently using mails for communication purpose. Toll-free numbers are also known to farmers and milk producers. They are taking information from the concerned authorities. So this is the customer support system by using this technology related to ICT tools. Google Form application, it is very common in farmers now for getting any subsidy or any type of the provision for the farmers from the government agencies. Different types of the websites are also very popular, and they are frequently used by the farmers and milk producers. Agriculture universities having their own websites. Various processing plants are having their own websites. Then various agencies like Amul, Anand Milk Producers Cooperative Union Limited, Anand, which is located as Gujarat. It is the biggest dairy cooperative in Asia. So they have developed their own websites for the farmers. National Dairy Development Board and National Dairy Research Institute are also playing very crucial role in the development of Indian dairy industry. They are always guiding regarding various processings and new innovations in the processing, which can be done by using ICT tools. Recently, digital payment, it is also very popular word. Milk producers and farmers are also using such a technology, as milk payments are transferred directly to the farmer's bank account, and it is very easy one. So farmers are frequently using this technology for their receiving of payments. While discussing about analytics like data analysis, which will improve, particularly time monitoring in the dairy industry for various processes. Process optimization is also improved. Production planning can be possible by using analytical systems. Supply chain management, we can improve the process by using analytical tools. And by these all means, we can control the quality of milk and we can improve the structure of dairy industry by using AI technology and by using ICT tools. So we can conclude by discussing above uh, slides that ICT revolutionizes dairy processing of milk in dairy industry by boosting farm efficiency with IoT, that is Internet on Things sensors, for collection of milk, for preservation of milk, for transportation of milk, for packaging of milk, and until up to distribution of milk to the consumers. So ICT makes Indian dairy sector very modern, transparent, and profitable through digital platforms by using different types of the mobile apps and data analytics. It will be very helpful from farm to consumers. I will be very thankful to UGC MMMTTC, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Marathwada University, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, as they have given me such an opportunity to express my views on views related to use of ICT in dairy processing, particularly for improving Indian dairy industry. Thank you one and all. Thank you.